I introduced you guys to my sourdough starter, Pancita, and I showed you how to feed her, but now let's make some sourdough loaves. I'm gonna have to film this across a few different days because it is a little bit of a lengthy process. This is not the kind of recipe where you can make the bread all in one day. This takes about 2 to 3 days, but you do get that really good classic sourdough flavor from letting it ferment for so long. The very first step that you wanna do is make your levain. So what I do is I grab from my sourdough starter 27 grams and I put it in a completely separate jar. I will leave the measurements of how much filtered water and how much bread flour I use for the levain. And after I do that, I go ahead and I feed my sourdough starter just like I normally would, and then I put it in the fridge and she can last in the fridge for quite some time. When I need her, I bring her back out, let her come to room temperature, feed her for a day or two. She's nice and bubbly and active, and then I can make more sourdough bread. Let me show you guys how to make the levain, and then I will come back tomorrow when we put everything together. It's the next day, which means baking day. Sprinkle flour all over your parchment paper, flip over your bread, dust it with flour, and score it with a knife. Put your Dutch oven in the oven and set it for 450. Once it is super hot, you're going to take it out, remove the lid, pop your bread in there, put the lid back on, bake it for 20 minutes, take the lid off, bake it for another 20 minutes, and there you go. Beautiful, crusty, delicious sourdough bread.